Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're out here at Clarksville Speedway again. It's a Wednesday night. The track's usually not as tight on a Wednesday night just because of the number of cars is a lot lower than on a Friday night. So I actually have my new Mickey Thompson stiff sidewall slicks on the car. So got them on, got some shock adjustments changed for those. Gonna go out here and make a hit on about 12 or 13 pounds just because I know the track's gonna be slick. It's like 95 degrees right now. The sun's been beating down the track all day. I know it's going to be hot. So. Alright guys, well for one, my window's stuck down. Second off, spun pretty bad because the track was really hot. So
time thing for you.
Yeah, how'd it run?
6.2 at 1:14.
Oh wow.
Mark said not bad for it to be hot as fuck and you spin and get back into it.
Yeah.
It sounds so crazy with these tires spin.
Does it?
Yeah, it's like,
huh.
weird.
It launched alright, it just spun farther out. That wasn't bad. Alright guys, pass number 2. The sun's went down, it's done cooled down a good bit. Trying not to get copyrighted out here, that's why I'm recording on the GoPro. They've had music playing all day, so get a good video with the camcorder and we'll come back and look at some stuff and turn the boost up just a little bit on this pass. We're on the slicks. We'll see how it does. That last pass was pretty good. It was a 624 at 114. That was with me pedaling it. It went 142 to the 60 foot, which is about what it went last week on the drag radials with the same tune in it. So that's not bad. The slicks are doing okay. So we'll hit a little bit harder this time, kind of like we did last week. I really wish we could turn it up more and start leaning on the car, but I just don't think the track's there to do it. And I don't want to go out there and just blow the tires off and go towards the wall or something. So probably 15, 16 pounds in this pass again and kind of compare it to the drag radial pass or whatever. And we'll see how it looks. So get up here and do this thing. of tire smoke in here. That felt like a decent pass. I don't think the 60 foot was that great, but we'll see. The slicks are the slicks shake a lot more than man, there's a bunch of tire smoke in here. I hope that's not my car smoking. Oh, we'll get down here and right in the tires from the big tire car.
It's good. It's
smart.
It's what's called.
Well, did he spin or did he hit boost cut or something?
He just got out of it. He got out of it.
That's good. There it is.
There's a shoot, baby. There's the laundry out.
Ah, he went 121. Nice.
Happy with that?
Hey, that was good. Oh yeah, he'll be happy. All right, guys, so that's gonna end the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Only got to make 2 passes. My buddy Jake, as you guys seen in the video, showed up, and we were trying to help him make a couple of passes before it got dark. Unfortunately, on Wednesdays, the local track here does not turn the lights on, so whenever the sun goes down, the racing's over with. So, did our best to help Jake. He hot lapped after his second pass and did pretty good. Got that 6.0 on his last and his final pass. So he was pretty happy with that. I do want to touch on a couple of things before I end the video. So for one, I'm going to insert the Wallace Racing 8th mile horsepower calculator clip right here. And as you guys can see, that is 950 plus horsepower. So for all the guys that have been telling me that this WAP block in the car here is going to crack over 700 or 800 horsepower, whatever, no signs of the block cracking. So you guys can keep waiting. You're gonna be waiting for a while. Also, because I'm feeling just a little like, I don't know, maybe petty, just a little bit. Because people, they love to criticize your work before you prove it. So I always like to, because I remember some of the stuff that people say in the comments, especially criticizing some of the ways that I built this car and stuff. Another thing I was thinking about is I had a guy a while back that was talking about the wastegate placement. So I'm going to show you guys the wastegate placement real quick, if I can even get down there and show them. So you guys can see both the wastegates down there. I had several people telling me that that placement wasn't going to work and this thing was going to boost creep, blah, 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 typical stuff. Had people knocking me about the flex coupler or flex pipe deal down there. No issues out of that flex pipe so far, and I have 4-pound springs here in these 2 wastegates, and this car will hold a steady 4 pounds all the way to redline. So just for you naysayers out there, because I know you guys don't ever have nothing to say whenever this stuff actually works. You only like to speculate and stuff, but it works. So anyways, get that off my chest, just set some things straight. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. Going to be doing some more racing here soon. Going to go get on a good prep track at some point in time. Maybe run some no prep stuff as well. Obviously on the slicks, which already on the car right now. Turn the boost up a little bit, really see what this thing can do. That last pass was only on 17 pounds, so there's way more room to grow with this thing. It's making a lot of horsepower for the combo. So, like always, guys, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later.